Choose a clear, open space. Unfold the drone's arms. Ensure propellers are intact. Ensure the SD card is inserted. Remove the camera cover. A click means the battery's locked in. A beep means the drone is ready. The gimbal will self-checks after power on. Remove and install the joysticks. Unfold the remote controller antenna. Press and hold to turn on the remote. Automatic pairing takes about 30 seconds. If the orientation indicator is not accurate, perform the figure 8 calibration for proper direction recognition. The drone begins searching for GPS signals. The solid green light indicates that the search is complete. Turn on the location service on the remote controller. Toggle beginner mode and adjust flight parameters as needed. You can remove the flight limit to fly at a longer distance. Push the joysticks to the 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock positions to unlock the motors. Push the left joystick upwards to take off. Or tap the takeoff icon in the app. Press and hold to turn off GPS mode and switch to indoor mode. You can customize the functions of the rear C1 and C2 buttons on the controller through the app's control panel. The left joystick controls the drone's altitude and direction. The right joystick controls the direction of the drone. Press the button to take a photo, or hold it to start recording. Slide to zoom dial for precise focus control. The gimbal dial controls the camera's up and down movement. Toggle the drone's speed mode. Move the joystick, then short press to activate auto cruise. Press the one-key return button on the controller or app, the drone will return automatically.